In 2025, the rule is work smarter, not harder. When you freelance, it's almost an unspoken rule to juggle multiple projects at a time, either as a freelance writer, designer, developer, or digital marketer. One thing is certain, you need all the help you can get. In this digital age, help equals the right tools. The right tools can mean the difference between chaotic project juggling and a smooth professional workflow. So here are 5 essential tools to help you freelance even better. But before I get into that, I make videos exploring tech news, breaking down difficult tech concepts and the digital world. If you like the sound of that, hit the subscribe button and join our community. Now, back to our list. Please note these 5 tools are not niche specific. They work for freelancers in any field. 1. Notion. Notion has become the go-to digital workspace for a reason. It's an all-in-one tool that allows freelancers to organize every part of their business in one place. It's commonly known as a note-taking app, but it is so much more. It is customizable to where you can create dashboards, databases, calendars, and more. For writers, Notion can be a content calendar, a client tracking system, and a place to develop article outlines. Designers can use it to gather mood boards, client feedback, and inspiration. Developers can often organize specs, project timelines, and personal learning resources as well. Marketers can also track campaign strategies, social media calendars, and performance metrics as well. What makes Notion powerful is its flexibility. You can create reusable templates, link pages and databases, and structure it to match your workflow. Whether you're a minimalist or maximalist who loves detailed systems, it's perfect for you. Next, we have Grammarly. No matter your field, your writing represents you. Typos, unclear phrasing, or unprofessional tones can damage your relationship with your clients. Grammarly acts as your personal writing assistant, checking your grammar, your spelling, your clarity, and tone as quick as possible. It doesn't matter if you're writing cold emails, sending invoices, creating pitch decks, or simply chatting with your clients. Grammarly can help you ensure smooth and clean conversation. Also, it integrates seamlessly with Gmail, Google Docs, Slack, and many other tools, so you don't have to stress when you're using it. This is especially valuable for freelancers who communicate with international clients or people whose first language is in English. Grammarly helps ensure your message comes through clearly and without misinterpretation or awkward phrasing, which can be a huge difference in client relationships and perceived professionalism. 3. We have Trello or ClickUp. When you're juggling multiple clients and projects, staying organized is key. Trello and ClickUp are 2 project management tools that help freelancers manage your workload without relying on messy to-do lists or never-ending email threads. Trello is perfect for visual thinkers. It uses drag and drop cards and boards to help you track progress. It's simple, intuitive, and great for solo freelancers or smaller projects. You can create boards for different clients, assign tasks by deadlines, and attach files or links to relevant cards. ClickUp, on the other hand, offers a deeper level of customization and is suited for more complex workflows. It combines tasks, calendars, docs, goals, and time tracking into one platform. If you're someone who handles high-volume projects, works with multiple subcontractors, or needs detailed reporting, ClickUp is best for you. Next, we have Wave or Bonsai. Finances can be one of the most stressful parts of freelancing, especially when you're chasing late payments or trying to draft a contract last minute. That's why a tool like Wave or Bonsai is a game changer. Wave is a free, user-friendly accounting platform that lets you send professional invoices, track income and expenses, and even handle bookkeeping. It's perfect for freelancers who want to keep things simple without losing control of their finances. Bonsai, while not free, is purpose-built for freelancers. It goes beyond invoicing to including legally vetted contract templates, automated proposals, time tracking, expense logging, and even tax support. It's ideal if you're growing your freelance business and want a more structured professional experience for yourself and your clients. Instead of cobbling together documents from scratch or relying on spreadsheets, these tools help you look like a pro and get paid like one too. Next, we have Toggle. Time tracking is one of the most overlooked but critical habits for freelancers. Toggle is a lightweight, user-friendly tool that helps you understand exactly how you're spending your time. This is a great tool if you bill by the hour, since it ensures accuracy and transparency with clients. But even if you work on a flat-fee project, tracking your time helps you understand your real hourly rates and whether your pricing makes sense. If you always underestimate how long things take, Toggle provides data that helps you adjust. You can identify time-wasting tasks, improve your efficiency, and plan your schedule more realistically. Over time, this leads to better productivity and smarter pricing. And no, it's not about micromanaging your minutes, it's about taking control of your business hours and making sure your energy is going where it actually matters. And that wraps up our list of 5 essential tools for freelancers. If you're just starting out, pick 1 or 2 tools and build from there. In the meantime, do not forget to check out our other videos. See you next time.